walcz, dawaj, dawaj, kontra blok. Nie przestawaj, cios, cios, upadaj i wstawaj. Blok, blok, przyjmuj i zadawaj.
Szybkie wymiany ciosów, nie każdy to wytrzyma. To jest prawdziwa walka, opisana w rymach. Po ciosie twarzy grymas, lecz zaciśnięte zęby. Zmęczenie wychodzi, pogą był kolejny.
Odporna morda i pięści twarde. Charakter z podwórka, trzymają gardę. Waleczne serce i głowa na karku. Ciężkie treningi, by wyjść bez szwanku.
Wielki zwycięzcą człowieka, to własny strach pokonać. Trzeba oszczędzać głowę, bo swoją prawdę chować. Tu walka bez fikcji, bez udawanych ciosów. W sercu krzyk wojownika, szyba pingujący głos. To jest walka, walka, prawdziwa walka, to jest walka. Walka, prawdziwa walka, to jest walka. Walka, prawdziwa walka, to jest walka. Więc walka, to jest walka. Walka, prawdziwa walka, to jest walka. Walka, prawdziwa walka, to jest walka. Walka, prawdziwa walka, to jest walka. Więc walka.
Charakter, odwaga, pewność i technika. Do walki podchodź, szanując przeciwnika. Zgubna jest pycha, ignorancja i gniew. W ringu rękawice, na ulicy bez. Pełna koncentracja, ochraniasz do gęby. Tarcza, zwarte łokcie, zaciśnięte zęby. Łokcie zakrywają, miękkie brzucha części. Na dystans trzymają niebezpieczne pięści. Dziś tylko zwycięstwo i nic nie wchodzi w grę. Choć przeciwnik też bardzo wygrać chce. Wjazd i pierwsze starcie, głowa obok sierpa, trochę też na farcie. Ostrej wymiany, kolejna minuta. Pięści nie skutkują, przyjęty cios buta. Ostatki sił, choćby trenowany. Tu nie grasz w zespole, więc nie licz na zmiany. Chwila słabości, krew już smakuje. Nigdy się nie poddam, on to samo czuje. Ponowna koncentracja, otarty pod czoła. Jest tylko on, nic nie istnieje dookoła. Celnie w miękki korpus, wyszła seria ciosów. Jest na kolanach, znaleziony sposób. Ambicja, charakter, atuty dobrej marki. Szacunek przeciwnikom za podjęcie walki.
To jest walka, walka, prawdziwa walka, to jest walka. Walka, prawdziwa walka, to jest walka. Walka, prawdziwa walka, to jest walka. Więc walka, to jest walka. Walka, prawdziwa walka, to jest walka. Walka, prawdziwa walka, to jest walka. Walka, prawdziwa walka, to jest walka. Więc walka. Pamiętasz hasło garda, do czego ona służy? Wyłapałeś plombę, niech się druga nie powtórzy. Trzeba mieć charakter twardy, gdy niekorzystne karty, choć dwóm zawodnikom naraz nie dają zwycięstwa lały. Jest wygrany i przegrany, choć przegrana żadna hańba. Szacunku zawsze warta, jest podjęta walka. A to nie jedna miarka, z którą przymierzy służy. Co jak dojdzie co do czego, to spierdala aż się kurzy. Ten wysiłek duży, w walce ci posłuży. I nie ma co źle wyjrzeć, musisz pokonać go serce. Nas odwaga, a dwa mięśnie, wierzysz w siebie, dobrze będzie. Są w życiu swoje miejsce, do nim codziennych zdarzeń. Tu tak jak na ulicy, nie wybierasz przeciwnika w parze. Dobrze się okaże po pierwszych zadanych ciosach. Cios cię ostre jak kosa, podkapie jak rosa. A ty trzymaj styl koza i na zawsze pamiętaj. Raz dostaniesz w łeb, do brachu nie pękaj. Walka dalej trwa, na bok zdążysz się odegrać. To jest walka, walka, prawdziwa walka, to jest walka. Walka, prawdziwa walka, to jest walka. Walka, prawdziwa walka, to jest walka. Więc walka, to jest walka. Walka, prawdziwa walka, to jest walka. Walka, prawdziwa walka, to jest walka. Walka, prawdziwa walka, to jest walka. Więc walka, walcz.
You ready? Let's go. Yeah. For those of you that want to know what we're all about, it's like this, y'all. This is 10% luck, 20% skill, 15% concentrated power of will, 5% pleasure, 50% pain, and 100% reason to remember the name. He doesn't need his name up in lights, he just wants to be heard, whether it's the beat of the mic. He feels so unlike everybody else, alone, in spite of the fact that some people still think that they know. But no, he knows the code. It's not about the salary, it's all about reality and making some noise, making a story, making sure his click stays up. That means when he puts it down, Tox picking it up. Let's go.
is he anyway? He never really talks much, never concerned with status, but still leaving him starstruck. Humble through opportunities given despite the fact that many misjudge him cause he makes a living from writing raps. Put it together himself, now the picture connects. Never asking for someone's help or to get some respect. He's only focused on what he wrote. His will is beyond reach, and now it all unfolds, the skill of an artist. This is 20% skill, 80% fear. Be 100% clear, cause Ryu was ill. Who would've thought he'd be the one that set the West in flames? And I heard him wreck it with the Crystal Method, name of the game. Came back, dropped Megadeth, took him to church. I like Bleach, man. Ryu had the stupidest verse, this dude is the truth. Now everybody giving them guest spots and stocks through the roof. I heard him with that stock.
This is 10% luck, 20% skill, 15% concentrated power of will, 5% pleasure, 50% pain, 100% reason to remember the name.
They call him Ryu, he's sick and he's spitting fire and Mike got him out the dryer, he's hot. Found him in Fort Minor with top, but a fucking nihilist porcupine. He's the type women wanna be with, and rappers hope he gets 8 years in the making, patiently waiting to blow. Now the record with your notice taking over the globe. He's got a partner in crime, his is equally dope. You won't believe the kind of that comes out of this kid's throat. He's not your everyday on the block. He knows how to work with what he's got, making his way to the top. He often gets a comment on his name. People keep asking him, was it given that birth or does it stand for an acronym? No, he's living proof. Let him rock in the booth. He'll get you buzzing quicker than a shot of vodka with juice. Him and his crew are known around as one of the best, dedicated to what they do and give 100%.
Forget Mike, nobody really knows how or why he works so hard. It seems like he's never got time because he writes every note and he writes every line. And I've seen him at work when that light goes on in his mind. It's like a design is written in his head every time before he even touches a key or speaks in a rhyme. And those other fellas he runs with, the kids that he signed, ridiculous, without even trying. How do they do it? This is 10% luck, 20% skill, 15% concentrated power of will, 5% pleasure, 50% pain, and 100% reason to remember the name. This is 10% luck, 20% skill, 15% concentrated power of will, 5% pleasure, 50% pain, and 100% reason to remember the name. Fort Minor, M. Shinoda, styles of beyond. Ryu, Talk Beer, Machine Shop.
Someday we gonna rise up from that wheel, you know. Someday we gonna dance with those lions. Someday we gonna break free from these chains and keep on flying. Yeah. They telling me it's all good, just wait. No gonna be there someday. Sipping on Jim Beam, okay. Gotta get these things one day. Till then, do another line, you know. Searching for that other high. Starbar gotta steal this deal. Kill, I'm gonna be killed. I got a sack in my pocket. Couch it, tell and drop it. You know we gonna lose it someday. And we're trying to hold it all together. The devil is too clever, so I'm gonna die, you gonna die, we gonna die someday. One day I said, someday we gonna rise up from the wheel, you know. Someday we gonna dance with those lions. Someday we gonna break free from these chains and keep on flying. Yeah, come on.
Try to lie, but it ain't me. Try to look, but I can't see. Can't stop right now cause I'm too far. And I can't keep going cause it's too hard. In the day and the night, it's the same thing. On the field, on the block, it's the same game. On the real, if you stop, then there's no pain. But you can't feel pain, then there's no gain. Rearranging and changing, it's all bad. And you try to maintain, but you fall back. And you crawl and you slip and you slide down. Wanna make it to the top, it'll start now. So I hold my soul and I die hard. All alone in the night, in the graveyard. Someday, one day, I'ma be free. And they won't try to kill me for being me. Hey, someday.